Welcome to our newest listing. This is 31 Nickel Crescent. This is the perfect home if you are looking to upgrade from a townhouse to a detached home, but you don't necessarily want a ton more square footage in your property. We're under 2,000 square feet, so it's a very, very comfortable detached home. You have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but you also have a living room, dining room, family room, and a kitchen all on the main floor. So you're not gonna feel like you have a smaller detached home. You also get no sidewalk on this side of the street, and a beautiful in-ground pool that I will walk you through. If you want to see this home in person with me, my number right here on screen, feel free to shoot me a text message. We can schedule an appointment. If you already are working with an agent, that is completely fine. You don't have to see it with me, but book an appointment with them to see this home. Let me know in the comment section down below, is this a home that you would put your hard-earned money into? These homeowners have definitely taken pride of ownership. They've maintained this home and even taking care of it to the nines. Not a lot of homeowners put this much pride into their homes. So this is a great one if you are looking to invest in a home that's been well taken care of. I'm gonna flip you guys around, enjoy this home tour. As always, our man Curtis is here for the media. If you are watching any of our home tours here on YouTube, Curtis is the man behind the much more professional videos that we do. I am obviously the man before the more rough videos that are coming through while I'm giving you my personal walkthrough tour. If you enjoy my personal walkthrough, that's great. If you want to see the more cinematic version and you haven't already watched it, click the video here in the top corner. Curtis's work is fantastic. Not only that, but it's going to give you a sense of what the home actually is going to look like, opposed to me just giving you my little walkthrough here. So go check out the other video as well if this home is something that you're potentially considering. Right behind me here, you have the dining room at 31 Nickel. The beauty about this specific home is it's not the smaller models that are on the street, but it's also not the massive homes that are on the street. We're somewhere in between that 2,000 square feet and that 1,300 to 1,400 square foot home that's on this particular street. So we're about 1,700, 1,800 square feet, which means you get a dining room, a very comfortable living room on the main level, as well as a separate family room. So you have plenty of space for you and your family to actually enjoy. You don't have just a kitchen and a living space all crammed together on the main level, and then your bedrooms up top. You actually have a lot more usable square footage in a home like this. As you've seen from the home tour already, you have tons of property. You have a beautiful backyard, and you've got some amazing finished interior space. If this home is the right property for you, feel free to call me at the number here on screen, text me, we can book an appointment. I can show you the home in person, or feel free to click the link in the description down below, schedule an appointment, and we can have a longer discussion about this particular home. As promised, I am out here in the backyard here at 31 Nickel. We've got this beautiful in-ground pool with a newly replaced liner, which is extremely important because replacing items on your pool can be costly, and this one has already been done for you. Check this beautiful yard out. You have multiple areas to enjoy sitting, relaxing with your family, gazebo, which is also included in the property price, and just check out this pool. Me personally, this would be a nice backyard oasis for me and my family. I don't know about you, but That pool is looking very, very nice to me right now on this hot day. If this home is of interest to you at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe you know somebody else who might love this home. It might not be for you personally, but it might be great for a family member. Send them along this video. And if you want the more cinematic video tour, it is on our YouTube channel as well. You can watch that video up in the top corner here. Now you've seen the front, you've seen the back. This is 31 Nickel Crescent here in Brampton. If this home is of interest to you, text me at the number here on screen. We can get you in here for a one-on-one showing with us so you can take a look at everything in person and really get a feel for what this home has to offer. It's an extremely quiet neighborhood here in Brampton. Once again, we are at the North Park and Williams Parkway intersection here, just off Highway 410. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.